Welcome everyone back to Little Nightmarse 3. Now last episode, let me show you, or let me say something what happened last episode. Or how about this, I'll maybe do this. I'll maybe show you what happened last episode.
Flashback.
What? What actually happened? She ripped herself in half? She literally a spider!
End of flashback.
Yeah, so now I'm not gonna tell what happened last episode, but I showed you a flashback of what happened last. This episode, we're literally gonna continue off. So yeah, last episode we beat this spider woman, or woman spider, the mutant version of Spider-Man that is literally a lady. And now in this episode, we are going to enter the carnival. The carnival section. Alright everybody, time to go to the carnival section. Oh, and I'm also going to get some snacks.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back. Sorry for being a bit late, just had to go and grab myself a snack. So, we're now ready for the circus section. A gnome! I just wanted to talk to you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I just want to talk. I just want to talk to you. What the? I just want to talk to you.
A few moments later.
Bro, who the hell are they? Wait, what happened? No. They were gone.
A few moments later.
Day 2. Another one? Starting to get more collectibles these days. Starting to get collectibles these days.
A few moments later.
Heating things up, my boy. What is that? A carriage? Why do I hear circus music? Why do I hear circus? Bro. Why do I hear circus? Pennywise? The dancing clown? Why are you here? Alright. What the? Okay.
What the hell?
Hold up!
Oh my God! No way!
Who the? Who replaced my favorite boy entity, Pennywise the dancing clown? Wait. Who replaced my favorite boy, my favorite entity, Pennywise the dancing clown? From the movie It? Who replaced it? My favorite boy of all time has just been replaced. Pennywise, if you listen to this, in Lone Iron Street, somebody freaking replaced you. With this jerk who listens to music. What the? What is that map? Wait, what the heck? This must have been the map to our... This is like a different world of like... This is like our world in a couple 100,000 years. Like the islands crumbling to pieces and forming as one. Like, what is going on? What am I in? Nevermore? Like, am I in like one of these land islands from these fantasy places? Or whatever. Like, this is the map of our country in a couple 100 years. Right before Little Nightmarse 1, because it was like the mall, like the submarine was leaking. Somebody replaced my favorite boy, Pennywise the... What the hell? Who replaced my favorite boy, Pennywise the dancing clown? I was going to meet up and beat him in this game. Who was that man, by the way? Lone Arm Jenkins? Lone Arm Jenkins' son? But hey, I'll be back. Gotta get myself some snacks. Help! Get him! Come on, ma'am. But what is going on? A circus? What is this, the 4th of July? Whoa. That is insane. Pennywise the dancing clown? Where is he? Who are you? A cowboy? Pennywise the dancing clown's son? Yo, this is literally a carnival. Yo, this is insane. But look at this. My man, get the second one, man. I like this. I'm so sorry about that. It's like they're literally tormenting their brothers and sisters. Oh, them toys from Little Nightmares 2. Oh, wow. A gnome. I think he can help us. At least he did, I guess. Alright, what do we do for this part? What are we gonna do? Oh, we can move this. Oh! They literally cut it in half. That is crazy, bro. That is disgusting. They literally cut him in half. That, ew, very disgusting. They literally cut him in half. Bro, what game is this?
A few moments later.
What a prize every time. Oh yeah, baby. We won a game in the carnival. Let's just keep going, bro. Let's not waste no time, bro. Bro, what is... Didn't expect that to happen, bro. I want a game, bro. Alright. My bro, where are we going now? We gotta go and how many dolls am I getting here? Oh, this is so disgusting. that coaster will give us one way out of here, I guess. Going on a ride? Together? We're literally riding together. Looks like we're going home. Wait, where are we going exactly? What is going on here? Wait, what's behind us? Bro. Nice circus though. Man, it's so good to see you, but I'll say goodbye one last time. Oh, so it was just a one way to get somewhere else, bro. Come on, bro, we gotta go. Wait, another mirror. Oh, and it's broken. I just can't believe that. I guess he'll never get home. What the? Oh, that's the other side of the carnival. That is way more insane than the one side of the carnival. He just went on the other side. Oh, don't forget. Oh yeah, the lady. Don't forget about her. Was who replaced my favorite bro, Pennywise the dancing clown? Dude, this flashlight was literally from the Nightmarse. I don't feel like it. Who replaced my favorite bro, Pennywise the dancing clown? They replaced my favorite bro, Pennywise the dancing clown, with this! What the hell? My favorite guy, Pennywise the dancing clown, was replaced by this big jerker, by this big jerk with a puppet that can move. I didn't mean to say that word. I just said they replaced my favorite boy Pennywise the dancing clown with this. Uh-oh. Go.
Hello. Go!